Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be a Monday video. I just wanted to be getting this out to you. So I'm going to be actually posting stuff a few days ahead of time and scheduling it to be dropped. That way we can kind of make sure we kind of have a consistent viewing schedule. So I'm going to be releasing videos, or at least making them public at 10 a.m. every day. Or not every day, I should say every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. That'd be kind of crazy doing it every day. I would kind of run out of content to make. So a lot of things have been happening. It's kind of been 2 weeks. I haven't really posted anything since Montana. And boy, I have a lot of stuff to talk about, at least over that trip. So, and a lot of stuff to do with the Corrado too. Like, we've just kind of been like breaking down lately. And so in the end of this, you're going to have 2 videos of just kind of the only things I really had shot so far since we got back, and one of them is going to be in the Corrado, a few things I've noticed tonight, and then the next is going to be a truck video of me, how I hate driving this thing downtown Seattle, and it seems to be the only vehicle the wife wants to ride in whenever we go downtown. But I really just wanted to make sure you guys knew that I'm not just ghosting you guys. I'm going to be getting content back up and running. It's kind of has been a hectic little 2 weeks there, so hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys Tuesday. Bye, you guys. Hey, you guys. So, just taking it out for a little drive, and I realized 2 things, and I really wish I... Yeah. No. Shut up. Just turn you off. I noticed a few things that are needing some repaired. So, I have a weird issue where if I don't give it just a ton of RPM trying to start from a roll, it just dies, and it took me like trying to restart it like 5 times for it to finally start. So I don't know what's causing that. And then it was doing this, and I'll show you here as soon as I park. Okay, so it's wiggly, right? It doesn't wiggle up and down much, but side to side is just ridiculous. And then to help it with the whole RPM issue, look at this crap. I was just driving, it just beep, came off. And I gotta drive like this. And if any of you know anything about the Corrado or the Volkswagen, when you're driving into first, you wanna actually kind of grab the stick and pull up, because you could go into reverse otherwise. So I kind of just grab and go up into first, but you know, like, let's see, that's reverse, yeah, see? So you have to kind of like pull up, then over, then you'll go forward. Oh shit, see, and it just died. And I didn't stall it, it's just something really weird is going on with this car.
This is how scary it is driving this thing in a parking garage in Seattle. Listen to it. Every single sign. Oh God. Oh God. Doesn't it give you like heart palpitations? You're just like, oh. Kimberly, you want to drive?
No, I'm good.
You're good? I think you should drive out of here.
I think you're more adorable.
Well, I'm glad someone does.